This is a teardown of a Datalogic GD4400 series barcode scanner, model GD4430-BK. And this will be kind of interesting. Unfortunately, it's dead, but it is what it is. And looks like there's a ribbon cable that goes from the USB cable. I just remembered I did pop this open previously, so that being disconnected is not why it doesn't work. That being disconnected is because I was trying to troubleshoot it. I forgot that this was the one I was hoping to use for a project. Got some T8 screws holding the top of the housing together. Some barcode scanner head or whatever. It wants to come apart. I feel like I'm missing something. I don't know what. So, obviously, the reasonable thing to do is just get more aggressive about it. Whoa! Did not want to do that. I didn't break anything. I went fine. It just wasn't clipped really nice. Clip there, clip there. Maybe a clip there. Yeah. I don't think that hurt anything. I have a nice computer sitting off to the side that I'm working on. So, whoops. Little front window there. And let's see here. Trigger assembly. Looks like the supports for it were broken. Not sure what that's about. Screws just for, I think, maybe the back support? I don't know. Let's look here. T6. Or is this 5? Nope, that's T6. I don't know. Nothing else to see in there though. Oh, just looking here, see how I want to approach this. Ooh, this is fun. Remove this Captain tape off the front here. Yeah, it's a paper label. That's not going to come off nice, is it? That's enough of it off where I can peel it. That's what I thought I was going to say. I thought I saw the Atmel logo, but yeah, I was right. Get rid of these shock absorbers. Little baffle here on the side over the buzzer, I think. This is really well adhered to the board. Yeah, it's a little buzzer beeper for the scanning notification. I'll remove the screws for the laser assembly next. The laser assembly might be the star of the show here with all the fancy optics and stuff going on in there, mirrors and whatever else. Oh, there's Onyx. What? Hi. Somebody's jealous that I'm talking to nobody in a room by myself. What? Oh, poor kitty. You can't be in here right now. Well, that's an unusual bonus for a teardown. Someone's been quite vocal today. Let's see here. Something's not quite right. Oh, man. So I don't know if this one is a camera. I don't think this one is a camera. I think it's just optical scanning. I think there's multiple forms of optical scanning going on in this though. So this board here is just an illumination board, I believe, to illuminate the area that you're scanning. And got some sort of lens here. No, this one might have a camera of sorts, an image sensor that is. It might not be doing actual camera stuff. Just a indicator board for the top little light up thing to let you know that it's on. Quite the interesting plastic housing, lens there on top for that. Not sure what some of these things do. I think some of this eliminates what you're scanning and then illuminates. I think I said illuminate. And then some of this does the actual like laser. Gosh, look at the weird prisms and stuff. Fortunately, this is soldered to the board and requires a little bit of persuasion to get loose. Oop. There we go. Like a zebra connector type thing to interconnect the board to the laser assembly. Apparently, I've never seen one that does that at a right angle though. That's kind of weird. Because this was like, I thought it was like that. Oh, okay. So this was probably soldered in between, like so. No? Oh, I have the wrong way around. That's why. It was like that. And this was in the front. Or was it? No, it was on the back. Oh, that's beside the point. We'll get back to the control board here eventually. I want to look at the optics for the barcode scanner. Poor kitty. He's slinking away. How is this attached? Ooh. Sounds like I'm breaking something. Oh, I am. I'm ripping the PCB up. Okay, so there's something in there that's through-hole soldered. I think that's actually the laser diode, based on the fact that I'm seeing some nice gold leads. Yeah, laser diode was right there. So this has an image sensor in it, but I don't think this one had camera functionality. I think it's just using the image sensor to do the scanning. I guess people might want to look at that a little closer. Shiny. Control circuit, or not control circuitry in the back, but just some passives, power regulation probably. And we will get to the main control board here now. So, an ST microchip there, I think. Oh no, looked like the ST logo. God, it's so tiny. It's the best I can do. Can't read that. Got an Atmel chip, which is not going to be readable, unfortunately. Oh, that's pretty good there. I think that's about the best I'm going to do. Wind bond chip, presumably for storage purposes. Tactile switch there for scanning barcodes, pushing the trigger button to initiate a barcode scan. I think that's it. That's all there is to see. Oh, got another wind bond chip. That might be a BIOS chip for the processor. But, yep, I think that's all there is to see, so hopefully that was interesting, and thanks for watching.